invest here from there.
Not sponsored, not
or
sponsored.
there
Shut the
from
hell up.
here.
Fucking crap yourself. Okay, anyways. What the hell is this? Stop seeing this. Like, what the fuck is this shit? Testname.me. That's a virus. Do not go there. It's like a combination of Combi Lame and this ugly piece of shit that no one likes. Send. It's just bad. Awful advertisement. I don't give two shits. But yeah, we're gonna be reacting to more special needs Sam syndrome kids. But we got the fan favorite.
Penis!
The Vine Boom. Look all the fart. And we got the fan favorite for now.
Penis!
But yeah, here we go. Reacting to foster mom mistreats special needs Sam syndrome kid. She lives to regret it. Yeah, I'm good at Englishing, especially on COVID.
Okay, here we are.
Yeah.
All right.
Miss Jacobs, how come no one ever wants to adopt me?
Oh, honey, don't think like that. Okay? There are lots of people out there who want to adopt you.
But how come it hasn't happened yet? All my other friends already have families.
I know, sweetheart, okay? And it's gonna happen for you soon. I promise. Okay? You just have to wait.
Well, hello there. You must be Kevin.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
Special
too.
needs Sam
Hi,
dead.
I'm Joy. Thank you so much for having me.
My pleasure. Why don't you come on inside?
Bye, Kevin. And don't forget, Kevin, you have my phone number, so you can call me if you need anything. Okay? Gosh, he's such a special boy. You're gonna love having him.
Yeah, I heard. He has autism, right?
Yeah, that's not what I was referring to, but yes, he does. He's one of the most brilliant young men I've ever met. He's 3 years ahead on his reading and his writing, and he is a fantastic dancer.
That's great. So that means that he falls into higher needs classification, right?
Yes, he does.
And higher needs equals higher pay.
Yes, so you'll be compensated for all of
Mr.
Kevin's
B-
basic needs, his food, clothing, and transportation, but then you will receive extra money for any additional time or attention that Kevin may need.
Excellent. Good to hear. Is that mine?
Oh, yeah.
Is there a check in here?
No, that'll be deposited into your account in the next few days.
That long?
Penis!
I needed to
Haha,
buy.
long penis joke.
Okay, yes, makes sense. I will have it processed as soon as possible for you.
Thanks. And it's been a joy meeting you.
You have a nice day.
Boom.
Hey, what are you doing in there?
I was just looking for something to eat.
Did you ask?
No.
What makes you think you could go in here?
Sorry.
I know that you and I are just getting to know each other, kid. But there are certain rules you're going to have to abide by during your stay here.
Okay, like what?
Like, no eating without asking permission first.
Don't you get paid to feed me?
What I get paid is none of your business. Now, during the week, you get 2 meals every day. Breakfast at 7 a.m. And dinner at 7 p.m.
What about lunch?
What about lunch? It's taken care of. Free lunch at school. Done deal.
But I'm hungry now. There's no way I can get something?
Nope. Check back in about 3 hours. Okay?
Do you think Letty can review my essay that I wrote for class? I have to turn it in tomorrow.
She's gonna tear it
Oh.
apart.
If I were getting paid based on your grades, I might say yes, but since I'm not, no. Come on, let me show you to your room. There you go. Thank you.
Penis!
This for less than $300.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Miss Sally, do you mind if I get this?
Don't you already have a whole lot of clothes?
None of my stuff fits me anymore since I grew. This is pretty much all I have.
Well, good thing what you're wearing is perfectly fine. Come on, let's go.
Can I at least just get something? I just can't keep wearing the same thing to school every day. Other kids will make fun of me.
Here's what other people think.
I do?
Well, don't. Never stop asking for stuff. You can have one thing from the thrift store. One thing. You hear me?
Okay.
Hey, how much is the cheapest sweatshirt or jacket for somebody his size?
I don't know, like $5?
Anything cheaper.
Did y'all know that this fierce beast only ate plants?
my
That's right. This herbivore was plant-based.
Language, bro. Kids watch Starman. Can't be saying that shit. Like, actually, bro.
Take a look. Fine.
Hey, I told you, you're not allowed to use a cell phone.
3, 10.
Where were you?
Is it 3 o'clock already? Sorry, I was busy.
I tried calling you a few times and you didn't answer.
Did you hear what I just said? I was busy.
Is it okay if I have some?
Don't they feed you at that school?
The food has dairy in it, and I can't eat dairy.
Well, I suggest you get over that. I am getting a little tired of you constantly talking back to me, kid. Explain this before I'll explain it one more time.
Penis! Penis! Penis!
Oh my god, bro.
And all your
Oh,
full
hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Nobody goes into
Get your
business to
ass on, boy. You get your goddamn.
which is why I have to keep you on a tight budget.
Boom.
Otherwise,
Penis!
it wouldn't be a good investment. Now, I'd like to get back to watching my important show.
Penis!
Why? You could have picked me up.
I'm tired of all your questions.
Sorry.
Sorry. Apologizing isn't always going to get you out of things.
Hey, I'm so,
There you go again. You know, we have 11 more months together. Keep doing this. I'll teach you a real lesson. Walk to school. Back.
No! It took me half an hour just to get here.
So what? That's nothing. In my day, kids walked for hours to get back and forth from school.
Back in my day, I had to ride my bike down a hill off a ramp and then parkour onto a boat and had that boat go across the river each day just so I could get to school, and then I'd have to fight a polar bear because I went to school in Antarctica. That river? Nah, that was the fucking Indian Ocean that boat went across, and I had to get there to Antarctica in less than 2 hours.
You'll be fine. Be good discipline. It'll save me money on gas.
No, please.
I'm not going to change my mind. Go to your room. I have important things to do.
Who's next? Melissa? You're right, Abby. Last time you wrestled, I couldn't walk right for 3 days.
No.
Any of us wrestle. They should just let you wrestle against the boys. I wish. You know my favorite wrestler of all time, Hildenberg, only wrestled against men after she became world champion.
Don't go there.
Really? Yep. I wish they would.
She went there.
Then they'd realize what else. Hey.
Kevin, this is incredible. Aside from a few grammar mistakes, it's amazing. Slow down, kiddo. Food's not going anywhere. Look, I'm really glad you're here tonight, okay? I'm sorry with how things worked out with you and Sandra. And after everything you told me, I talked to my boss and we're gonna review her file and hopefully have her removed from the system.
So what's gonna happen now? Am I going back to the shelter?
No, actually, I have some exciting news for you.
I don't want to go to another foster home. I'd rather go back to the shelter.
Well, you don't know what this is yet. Open it.
I'm getting adopted?
Yeah.
By who?
Well, that's the best part.
No! Thank you so much.
You know what, I'm just as excited. Normally, the agency doesn't want the staff to adopt kids, but I explained to them how incredibly special you are to me and everything you've been through, and they made an exception.
This is the best news ever. You have no idea how happy this makes me, Miss Jacobs.
Oh. Almost forgot how good of a dancer you are. And you know what? You can call me Mom. That is, if you want to.
Are you kidding? I would love to.
Hey, family. Can I get you guys anything else?
What do you think about dessert?
Yeah!
Do you have anything on your menu that's dairy-free?
I'm sure we do.
Great. Bring out whatever you have, because we are celebrating.
Kevin was so happy knowing he was getting adopted by Joy. Joy ended up loving Kevin and raising him like her own son. Kevin knew exactly what he wanted to do with his life, and Joy did everything she could to make that dream possible. Kevin's writing gets better and better. His teachers are just as impressed as Joy is. And over time,
Oh my god.
Kevin becomes one of the most celebrated writers around. Even though Joy had originally taken Kevin in to live with her, eventually, Kevin surprises his mom by coming to live with him. And then one day, Kevin happens to run into Sandra.
You really didn't need to buy me all of this stuff, but thank you.
I need to say thanks. I already told you.
Oh my gosh, hi. Aren't you that writer prodigy? Bye.
Love all fucking.
Oh, I'm just still so impressed how far you've come. Not that I have doubt in you.
It's all possible because you,
Kevin.
Mrs. Selly. It's been a long time.
Yes, it has. I've been reading about you everywhere.
Thank you. Really appreciate it.
Oh,
Oh my God.
After you left,
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass on.
It looks like you're doing quite well.
Oh, this is for my mom.
Oh my
She believed in
God,
me when
bro.
I had nothing. It's been a lot of time helping me.
Yeah.
Ah, it turned out to be a pretty good investment.
Yeah? Yeah, I'm seeing that. Listen, Kevin. Times have been, a little tough. And, I was thinking maybe I could borrow some money?
You won't be getting any more money from me.
Boom.
Penis! Hey! Kiddo!
Eggs in your pancake?
Penis. Let's see. Again, I want to see the one where. Oh, special needs. Hey yo, what's on his head, man? What the? I can't be showing that. Sick. I want to see the one where the kid fakes being sick. Fakes death to skip work? Fake pregnancy, fakes injury, cheats on exam, a student cheats on exam. I'm gonna watch this one, and then I'm gonna watch this one, alright? The ones where special needs Sam cheats on his married wife like Dream Minecraft.
Ask your doctor about Entresto.
No, I won't actually.
The Hansons are hitting the road, and wherever they go, they'll be about 10 minutes from a hotel by window.
Okay, everybody, let's open our books to page 33.
Yes! Hello? Got him! Wait, so there's nothing big about it. It's fine. Hey guys, Mom makes a cameo appearance. Get in here. Get in here. Say it out loud for everyone to hear. I'll come back. No! It's for the content, Mom. It's in like 20 minutes, Mom. It's gonna be like 20 minutes before I'm done. Just do it now. I'm asking if you want to take your COVID test. Sure, it's not that long. I'll go take the test. I'll bring it up to you. Emma, can you go in your room and put your mask on? Seriously. Anyways, guys, back to the video. I'm gonna be sticking a thing up my nose.
Who wants to answer question 17? How about Michael?
Oh, I took my kill.
Michael is showing me that you're on mute and your camera's off. You there?
Penis! Stop car. Let's go.
Hey, Jaden, you know where your brother is?
Penis! 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 Penis!
How come they
Mikey! What are you doing? Mr. Wilson's calling you.
Oh, shoot. Unmute. Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Michael, we can hear you now. What have you been doing?
It still says you're muted, don't. My computer was acting up. It's finally working now.
Okay, good. I hate when that happens. Just, let's make sure that we got everything ready for tomorrow's final.
Penis!
Go ahead, answer question 17 on page 33.
Okay.
How was school today?
Fine, I guess.
What'd you learn?
Jaden, you can tell her.
Okay, we went over algebra and geometry.
That sounds nice.
You can win a fee. I don't care.
Hey, Mom. Can you get us the new...
I'm already rich enough, from overpassing dhar man. What's One sec, guys. You don't see this. You don't see that. Alright, there we go. As you can see, I surpassed him. I have like 200 something subscribers. Darman does not have any. That's a gamer move right there. I don't care about your goofy edit. I don't.
PS5. I mean, summer vacation is next week, and I'll have a lot of free time.
Well,
It's next week, and I'll have a lot of free time.
You sound like an infant. Shut the actual up, bro. Like no one loves you. You're out.
Tongue.
I don't know what that. It's just a random. The button is just called Chinese guy talk with Vine Boom, and I don't know why it's there. I forgot I had that.
Well.
Penis!
How about if you both get A's on your math final?
Really? Well, you may as well buy it for us now, because I'm gonna ace that test.
Thank you.
I like that confidence.
1, 2.
I gotta take this.
How do you expect getting A tomorrow if you haven't been paying attention in class? You should at least be studying with me.
Studying is for losers. Besides,
One sec.
I don't do things the hard
I just
way.
took my COVID test. Alright, Mom, I'm done with my COVID test. I'm relatively sure I still have it, but let's hope I don't. Anyways, guys, yeah. Let's go back to student cheating on final exam. Special
what's your
needs
plan,
Sam
man?
in it.
To do things the easy way.
Is this
Our math final. I found it online, so now I have all the answers.
what? That's cheating.
It's not cheating. It's called taking a shortcut. I mean, how else do you think people succeed in life?
There are no shortcuts to success. You have to do things the right way. Now come on, there's still time if you just study with me.
Did you not? I have all the answers already. I don't need to study. You. So, let me give you the link. And
No, that's okay. I'm not gonna cheat.
hey, Mom, if Jaden doesn't get an A, but I do, can I still get the PS5?
Well, I guess so, but then Jaden wouldn't be able to play.
That's fine with me. Means I won't have to share.
His face. Look at his
Then Jaden wouldn't be able to play.
That's fine with me.
Oh my god. What the hell is that face, man? What the fuck? I'm gonna go shut my door real quick. I'm gonna leave you with that beautiful image of Sam from Special Needs. Right there. Look at him with his goofy ass face, bro. What the hell's wrong with him?
Means I won't have
Boom.
to share.
Penis!
His fucking face.
Okay, everyone gets one.
To share.
Oh god, he's looking at me. Oh no. Oh.
Okay, everyone gets 1 hour to complete the test, and hey, Michael, your camera still isn't on.
I'm sorry, Mr. Wilson. Let me try it again. I don't know why it's not working.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
It's fine, I guess. Everyone has 1 hour to complete the exam. I'm starting it now.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Penis!
Mikey compares the
spoilers.
final exam to all the questions on the website. And sure enough, they're all the same. He happily answers all the questions.
Oh my god.
Oh.
He's playing Friday Night, doing your mom. I'm so funny.
And then, a few days later, Mikey gets a big surprise.
Can I play?
No, get your own iPad.
Mom, he's not letting me play again.
You have to share the iPad with your brother.
But I don't want to.
Well, did you both get A's on your final exams?
Well, we haven't got our report cards back, but I guarantee you I did. So, can we please get the PS5?
Okay, I guess so.
What? Did you really?
No one cares, Mr. Best, about your damn free console. My parents are still rich from overtaking dhar man with his no subscribers Lumaubat XDL Bozo. I have more subscribers than him, so I get so much more money, and I own every console to ever exist. So yeah.
Really get us
Suck
the
it.
PS5?
Suck it, Mr. Best.
I can't believe it! You got it! I get to play first. No, you won't. Oh my gosh, you got it!
Yes, but nobody gets to play until I see your exams.
I can 100% promise you that
I'll get it!
Stupid special needs Sam. There's no one at the door. It's
Mr.
your
Wilson,
dad.
what are you doing here?
I was actually here to start doing your mom. But since you're here, I'm gonna talk about grades.
Hey, G, may I speak with your mom for a moment?
Come on in.
Oh my god, I cannot believe he is doing the mom!
Doing your mom!
He's doing the mom! I cannot believe it, bro! He is actually freaking doing their mom!
Thanks, I'm not disturbing anything, am I?
Oh, not at all. Is everything okay?
Yes, yeah, I just came by to let you know that Jaden got a 100% on his math final.
What about Mikey?
Well, Michael also...
See, Mom,
But-
I told you I was gonna get an A. Now I can open this.
This is an F.
Huh? I don't get it.
Well, as I was saying, Michael got all of his answers correct. Those answers were from this website that I created. Yep. See, ever since we started distance learning, a lot of kids have been cheating. So I put up this website, put all the questions to my final exam on it, and mixed up the answers.
You did?
I did. So you see, Michael, you failed my final exam. See you in my class again next year.
Mikey, how could you do such a thing?
I'm sorry. I thought I could take a shortcut, that's all.
You know better than that. There are no shortcuts to success. You have to do things the right way. Much bigger trouble than that, young man.
Oh my god.
You are
dog.
grounded
Hell
for
no,
the entire
man.
summer.
What the fuck, man? Get your ass
No
on.
iPad, no computer, and you are not touching that PS5.
That
One
is
of
so
my
not
friends
fair.
had that as a punishment. It was kind of dumb. He brought something that looked like a Game Boy to school the day after he was unbanned from playing video games. And bringing them to school. And then because of that, he was not allowed to do anything until summer was over. Sucked. I felt so bad for him. But anyways, back to special needs Sam.
Those are for you to play with, and you do not have to share.
Yes!
There's someone there!
Go to your room. Now.
Penis!
Just wait till I tell your dad about this.
Man, he's fatherless. He's siblings with special needs. Sam, that's the father. That right there, that's the father because he was.
You and your mom!
That guy right there, he was in fact doing your mom.
I am so sorry.
Being cheating.
I can see that. Sorry to have been the bearer of bad news. Jaden. Great work.
Thank you.
I'll be upstairs talking to your brother if you need me.
Wait, would you mind helping me set this up for us?
Sure. You deserve it.
We're changing
We're
lives.
ending
And when you
lives. Because you have no subscribers. But yeah.
I'm Lisa Billion, author of Radical Confidence. I want you to imagine something. Imagine a version of
Bro, that lady in the advertisement straight up looked like the freaking abusive foster mother from the first video we watched. Is that just me? I swear that's probably just me. Because I got special needs Sam syndrome.
Mikey!
It's you. I thought you were mom.
You better get ready for school, or you're gonna be late.
I'm sick. I know you are pretending you're not your English test.
But the test isn't until tomorrow.
You're not very smart, are you? At first I thought it was not working on, but to make it more believable.
Mikey!
Shoot, Mom's coming. Quick, hit me that tail in the sink.
What for?
Don't ask me questions. Go get it.
Okay.
Hurry.
Here, you really shouldn't be doing this.
Shh, be quiet. Go hide in the bathroom.
You're gonna be late for school. Mikey, I'm coming in. Mikey, why are you still in bed? Are you not feeling well?
I don't know. Why is it so cold in here?
Oh no, don't tell me you have the flu. Oh, you're so hot and sweaty.
It's okay. I'll push through it.
No. Just stay down. You're gonna need your rest.
Bro,
I'll call the school and tell them you're not feeling well.
Are you sure? I'm really sorry. I hate missing school.
I know, sweetheart.
Why the hell
Well,
did
hopefully
you
you'll
pop
be
me
better
up
before the
here
big
with
exam tomorrow. You know what? Let me just call the doctor and make an appointment.
No! I'll be fine. I'll just wait, and then if I'm not better in a few days, then we'll go.
You sure? Okay.
Oh my god, Mr. Beast. I don't have a free console. I don't need no free console. Check me out, bro. I'm playing new Super Mario Bros. 2. Fuck you, Mr. Beast. I'm playing Mario. Heh, Mr. Beast. I don't need a console. Check this out. Bro, the hell is this goofy all music, bro? What the hell? Oh yeah, I'm so skilled. They can't beat me. Take that, Mr. Beast. What the hell? What the hell? Hell yeah. Playing this hit game, I'm sure that it went over very well with the community and the people who played it. I'm surprised they didn't make enemies drop coins. Hell yeah, I got the 30 coins. Oh yeah, I love this game. I'm so ass at this game though. Like actually, I'm shit. I didn't even get the 1-up. Oh my god. Anyway, oh, I just broke something.
Why is the TV on?
It was on last night and I didn't have enough energy to get the remote.
Oh. Don't stay watching dhar mann videos. You need your rest.
Oh my god, wait, everyone, stop looking, look away, children, look away, no subscribers.
Love you.
Love you too. Text me if you need anything.
She does not love him. She is absolutely faking it. She hates him. Especially Sam's favorite child, absolutely 100%.
Okay, I'm gonna go find your brother.
See? I told you my plan was gonna work.
Mom's gonna find out. You know what happens, though?
You think I don't know what I'm doing? Now hurry up and get out of here before Mom sees you. Have fun at school, loser! She thinks I don't know what I'm doing.
Mikey, you feeling okay?
1 second!
Can I enter?
I said 1 sec!
I'm coming in. Mikey?
Bro, what the hell, Mikey? Freaking throwing them away and not eating them. Oh, wait a sec. He's faking throwing up right now. I'm gonna have a cough drop. Actually, my throat's still kind of hurting. By the way, my mom didn't actually give me the COVID test thing back, so I still don't know if I'm sick or not. But my throat does hurt, so I'm pretty sure I still have it, so I'm having a cough drop.
I'm in here.
Are you doing all right, sweetheart?
No, my nose is running all night. I can't stop coughing.
Alright. I just got my test back, thanks to Mom. I am still positive as I expected. My hypothesis was correct.
And I feel like throwing up.
That doesn't sound good. What about your exam today? Do you think you might? Oh, poor baby. Are you throwing up? You sound really sick. We should take you to the doctors.
Freaking autistic.
No, if I'm not feeling better about tomorrow, then we'll go.
Okay, I gotta go. Just let me know if you need anything, all right? I love you.
Love you too.
Got that goofy ass grin on your face.
Dude, we're getting snapped. God, don't.
Are you coming to school today?
You got yourself. Can you please knock before you come in?
Boom. Penis! So, are you coming to school today?
No. If I magically got better the day after the test, then wouldn't it be obvious that I was baking it? Anyway, how'd it go?
Oh, you won't believe this. It happened while
Mikey! Are you playing video games?
Mom, I thought I'd feel better, but I shouldn't have rushed it.
I think it's time to go to the doctor.
No, I'm feeling just a little bit better. Just give me 1 more day so I can try and recover on my own.
Okay, if you say so. Jaden, you ready to go? I don't want you to be late.
No!
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna spam
After saving with customized car insurance from Liberty Mutual.
sorry that you're gonna miss your favorite YouTuber today.
Huh?
Oh, that's right. You weren't in school yesterday, so you didn't hear the announcement. Your favorite YouTuber, Dhar Man. It's too bad that you're homesick. I haven't gotten a chance to meet him. Oh well, I hope you get better soon.
Wait, I think I'm feeling better.
Boom. A chop.
You don't feel warm.
Oh, God. You just magically disappear. I told you I was gonna need a doctor.
Are you sure? I don't want you to rush it.
I'll be fine, just give me a few minutes. And I'll get dressed quickly and I'll meet you in the car. I'm gonna take this. Thank you.
Okay. Jade and I'll meet you in the car.
Wow, I can't believe I'm gonna meet Darman. Yeah, he's gonna start a meet and greet.
Are you serious?
Here we are.
Where is everyone?
What do you mean?
It's 7:45. The meet and greet was supposed to start 15 minutes ago.
You didn't really think you were gonna meet Darman, did you?
But the flyer says meet and greet 7:30.
Oh yeah, I made that up.
What? I was sick. And I still am sick.
Uh-huh. Please. I have been on to you for a while. You know, when you told me you had a fever, I was really worried. To pick up the remote, I saw something you probably didn't want me to see. The wet towel.
Oh my God, she kept it in her goddamn purse. What in the... No swearing at women. I must not say anything to those... And yeah,
Used to fake your fever?
What? I didn't use that.
Oh, come on. That is the oldest trick in the book. And then when you were in the bathroom, I saw all those crumpled tissues on your bed. Well, because I was suspicious by then, I opened them up. And what did I see? Clean, clean, clean. Nothing in them. No snot at all.
They dried probably. I mean...
Would you stop? Then I went to go put them in the garbage. And what did I see in the garbage? Unused cough drops. Like you had used the cough drops, but no. You should have done a better job at hiding them.
Well, I just threw them away because...
Why are you still trying to lie to me? What have I always told you? What happens in the dark always comes to light.
Look, I'm sorry, okay? I just pretended I was sick because I didn't want to have to do our English test.
Oh, I was trying to tell you earlier that the test never happened.
What? You didn't tell me that?
Hi, guys. Good morning, Michael. I heard you weren't feeling so well yesterday. I actually wasn't feeling too good myself, but I guess it all worked out because I just postponed that test to today.
You did what?
Yeah, you can take it. I'll see you inside.
I'm not studied at all. Can you please just take me home?
You should have been studying instead of watching YouTube and playing video games. You made your bed. Now you have to sleep in it.
Hey, Mom.
Bye, sweetheart. Good luck with your...
Sam is so obviously the favorite child.
Doing your mom, 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 doing your mom.
I'm just gonna put on some fucking background music. Anyways, yeah. Just put in some background music.
Your test.
So, how did it go?
Good. I got an A.
Oh, that's so great, Jaden. And
I got an F.
yeah, I really hope that you have learned your lesson. Oh my gosh, there's Dhar Man.
Mom, he fooled me once. Come on.
No, I'm telling you, it's him. Look.
Mom, I learned my lesson already. I learned not to lie or cheat anymore, okay?
You better look before he leaves.
I'm not falling for it again. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Bye, Dhar Man.
Hey, Mom, can you get us the new PS5?
Both get A's on your math.
That fucking face, man. You like this music, by the way, guys? Holy shit, this is 40 minutes long. Stinky, smelly poo-poo-poo. Stinky, smelly poo-poo. Darkness, sleepy nose. Poopy. Man, you're not the only one, kid. I invited my class of 30 students to my birthday and 7 showed up. You're not the only fucking one. You're not special. This happens all the time. It's this kid. Again and again. Special needs syndrome. What the fuck?